he had injured. We have aloe vera here. Sige, butang natin. Pakita, ano ka?
So guys, ito pala guys na nung aking tiyan nagdugo.
Dado. Translations. Ito yung
Kasi nagsabi, naglaro
This is the translations. We made a video just faking it, and he got injured. So please make this video viral, guys. This is no makeup. This is no fake. I'm not laughing. I'm not lying. So this is okay.
This the real.
This is real, bro. We're not faking. Wala.
Para sa kumpiteran.
So, got injured. So, this is our plant, aloe vera here. Feed them water every day. And this is not fake.
This the
It's
real.
real. This is real. This is not fake. We're not lying. And that's all. At least he's okay and he's not crying. It's a really strong girl. But he's my cousin, not my little sister. Yes, but I'm older than him. He's 6, almost 7, and I'm almost 8. Yeah. So he got injured, guys.
I'm done.
Yeah, bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.